I'm delighted.
Today, we find ourselves in the midst of a complex geopolitical dynamics, transnational threats, and emerging challenges that demand a unified and collaborative response. Our agenda during this gathering is comprehensive, touching on a range of issues that demand our attention. It is from inter- and intra-state conflict and security issues, counterterrorism and cybersecurity challenges, to humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. And our discussions is expected to shape the direction of our joint efforts in addressing these challenges.
African standby forces which are integrated and multidimensional in nature are ready to conduct any mission as per the mandate and their guidance, notably at this moment when our region is facing security challenges. For example, the continued fighting and the deteriorating humanitarian situation in the Republic of Sudan, the ongoing fighting in the eastern part of the Democratic of Congo, whose effects spill over into some of our member states.
Wonderful.